Achieving younger and brighter looking skin. Everyone wants youthful, radiant skin. Let's explore effective treatments. 1. Retinoids. They boost collagen and reduce wrinkles. Start slow to avoid irritation. 2. Chemical peels. They exfoliate and renew skin. Done every 4 to 6 weeks. 3. Microneedling. It stimulates collagen and improves texture. Professional treatments are best. 4. Laser treatments. They enhance tone and texture. Some require downtime. 5. Antioxidant serums. Vitamin C brightens and protects skin. Use daily. Don't forget sunscreen. It's crucial for preventing aging. Use SPF 30 or higher daily. Combine these treatments with a consistent routine. Your skin will look younger and brighter over time. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone. Thanks so much for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, hit subscribe and give us a like. Your support keeps us motivated. Drop a comment below. We love hearing from you. See you in the next video.